Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel RKTV. Just 7 minutes ago, a 4.9 magnitude earthquake struck near Trikala, Thessaly, Greece. The tremor was recorded in the morning on Sunday, April 24, 2022, at 7:28 a.m. local time, at an intermediate depth of 74.5 kilometers below the surface. The event was filed by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, the first seismological agency to report it. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more update. Thanks for watching.